Hello everyone, in front of me is the Motorola Moto G9 Play, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, find and select Settings. Then locate and open Security, click on Fingerprint, and at first you will have to set some backup to your fingerprint. Just pick pattern, pin code or the password. I will go with pattern. So now draw the unlock pattern, tap on Next, and just re-enter it just to confirm. Here you can manage notification content, and now it's time to enter your fingerprint. Just tap on Setup, and as you can see on your back cover, you've got the fingerprint sensor, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Lift your finger up, then place it on the sensor, keep going till you see 100% over here. As you can see, actually you will get the notification fingerprint added, and tap on Done. So that is all. From now on you can unlock your device either with this backup pattern or pin code, whatever you choose, or smoothly with your fingerprint, smoothly by tapping on the sensor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.